The 21st century teaching method is aimed at preparing students for work as employee and employers of labor. This is why the Lagos State government is making concerted efforts to ensure that its teachers are fully equipped with skills for 21st century teaching. This training, organized by the Lagos State Vocational Education Board, Lastveb, in partnership with West Africa Vocational Education Partnership Lead, will help teachers who participated in the program to drive the lessons in their classrooms.
What are the things in terms of your college? Come together as a college and talk that these are the things. And secondly, once you have put that down, you must all have it. You must come together as a group and start working on them and start discussing. So if you remember one of the principles, you remember one. Once you are all talking together, it makes a whole. You'll be remembering and you'll be able to be supporting each other.
The teachers were taught how to imbibe 21st century skills in their teaching plans.
The reason for this training is to equip the teachers with 21st century skills. We are really focusing on outcome-based education. How do teachers move from teaching methods that are focused on, knowledge, passing knowledge to students, not getting their feedback, to a method where the learners are the center.
We are here in this program to help educators to understand the benefit of 21st century skills. And one of the things we realize is that when they have 21st century skills in combination with the technical skills that they learn in their school, it will help them become a well-rounded student. And as they go out of the world, they will be able to succeed in the workplace.
The quality of education system cannot exceed the quality of teachers. So I'm happy that Lastveb is training and retraining their TVET teachers, because teachers need to move from being just teachers to being 21st century facilitators.
Speaking with Education Report on TV, participants say skills like the smart learning system will help them to be better teachers in the classroom.
It was really enlightening because I learned a lot. I learned how to be a 21st century teacher. I understood what it is to be a teacher that is learner-based and not teacher-based. Also, we learned more on how to do our modules on the internet. I also learned the smart learning system to be able to teach my children, my students, and when I get back, I would be able to motivate them and help them in their endeavors.
Things are different now. The students should be more engaged in the classroom activity than us, and it's different from the classic way of teaching in the sense that it is more about results.
I want to thank Lagos State for this opportunity and TVET for training us. I've learned a lot from here, which I'll be taking back to the students. Under OBO, I've learned to be smart and how to communicate with the students, to understand how to read their emotions before teaching them, and how to relate with them on a normal ground.
We are trying to embed 21st century teaching into our education system. And how can we go about that? 21st century teaching has three elements or three characteristics. One of them is, what are the ways of thinking? Those ways of thinking involves creativity, problem solving, decision making, and participation.
We have learned a lot from this program. We have learned about 21st century teaching. We have also learned how to incorporate these ICT into our teachings for better performance. And also, we have also learned soft skills like emotional skills of the emotional intelligence of those students. We understand how they feel emotionally, so that we'll be able to bring these ICT incorporation into their life, and we'll be able to improve the academic activities of the students.
At the end of the training, it is expected that participants will be fully equipped with effective tools and strategies that will help them to think critically and reason logically to meet the challenges of 21st century teaching.